Introducing Mr. Braden, a commercial property owner in Blue Springs, Missouri. A few months ago, he was suffering from a storm-damaged commercial roof and he was quite worried about that. For that, his commercial building's roof shingles were also damaged very badly. Accordingly, he started searching online for the best local roofing company to get an emergency roofing service. Also, for getting more suggestions, Mr. Braden discussed this matter with his friends and neighbors. One day, while he was searching on the internet, he noticed Good Roofing Company LLC on the top page of Google. So, he browsed at www.goodroofingcompany.com to know more about their service specializations. Mr. Braden found they are famous for offering fast and diligent roofing service by experienced experts at affordable costs. Good Roofing Company LLC can keep your commercial roof damage-free with the best roofing service. After knowing everything, Mr. Braden decided to take their service, so he called their experts. Consequently, he was very satisfied after getting their roofing service. If you are looking for the same, then call them at 816-207-3993 or 573-724-4322.